Hi guys, hi and welcome to today's YouTube session. Today we're talking about something slightly different. We're going to be talking, I'm going to be showing you around a piece of land that we've had for quite a while, and we've been meaning to do this, but I thought with COVID and everything that's going on, why not utilise the space? In essence, stress test some of the assets that we've already got. So I'm going to show you a piece of land that we own. So welcome to Wolverhampton. Now, there's a reason why I've kept this overgrown. It's because we've owned this land for quite a while, and we've put in planning permission for 2-3 bedroom semi-detached houses. So they're going to start from literally from this boundary here, and it's going to be coming across almost to, off memory, it's around about here-ish, maybe slightly over. So we're going to be utilising this much space, and we've got planning permission granted for 2-3 bedroom semi-detached houses. It actually came through just over a week ago. So I'm just here whilst we're waiting for our architect and whilst we're waiting for some of the other guys to start looking at the project management and the builders. So we've got planning permission granted, and the aim, we're not sure yet whether we're going to either sell them or whether we're going to keep them to build, to rent, and then potential refinance. Build, rent, refinance, buy, or we may actually even build to sell. Just so that you know, on this road we also own, not the next one but the one after, and we also own one on the opposite side of the road, so we know the area quite well. So off the back of that, if the truth be told, across that whole block there's about 100 people, and we own the whole block. So this is a piece of land that is just attached to it, and if you look at it, it's kind of nothing land. So the whole point of it is that we've kept the car park looking quite derelict, because it means that the council look at it and think, oh, okay, it's not looking the greatest right now, but with a new development, it will clean up the area, and it will clean up this car park in particular. So that's one of the conditions that they've attached, that they want to see the car park cleaned up, and that was always something that was in the plan from the outset. So there are ways that you can get planning, there are ways that you can actually determine the way that your planning permission is going to go. I'm not saying that if the grass was massive and high, it would make the council start to think about things in a slightly different way. You want them to see the land at its worst. So sometimes when you drive past a piece of land and the grass is this high, it's there for a reason. Chances are that the owners are trying to make it look as worse as it can be, or as difficult as it can be, so that the plan is looking at it and thinking, well, to be fair, at the moment this is an eyesore, but as a result of having a development. Now if we just have a quick look here, the house here, you can see that it's stood out quite nicely, it's well presented. You look at the houses over the road, they're quite well presented. I think we're going to fit in quite nicely with the area, and it's actually going to bring it up. So we've got a lot to do, and as a result they're all going to be refurbed in the process. So we've got a lot going on in 2020. Whilst we've got a bit of a quiet time, we're utilising some of the guys that we've got, so builders, architects, who have probably had a bit of a tougher time in 2020. Now for me, it's the perfect time for them to start on a project like this. We'll probably start in around November, mid-November, with a view of then trying to aim to get these completed early 2021, and whether we then decide to sell them like spring or probably summertime of 2021 may be a perfect time. We're waiting for the new gas supplies to come in, waiting for the new electric supplies, the water, and also the telephone or BT or internet, whatever it may be, waiting for all those supplies to come in. So we've got a lot to do, and it may be actually interesting for me to just keep you updated every couple of months so that you can see it on site, seeing us initially coming out of the ground, probably sharing some of the plans with you, seeing it come out of the ground, see some of the supplies come in, and as a result showing you the process as we are from the moment start to a finished product. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little video. It's a shorter video than normal, but hopefully you'll see that a progress from start to finish, and you'll take a lot away from it. As always, if you're subscribed to the channel, or if you're completely new to the channel, please press like or subscribe to the channel. If you like more free information, please feel free to download the Property Rebel podcast. It's available on Apple Podcasts, it's available on Google Podcasts, Spotify, and the last one, wherever it may be. If you Google Property Rebel, you'll find it. It's all over the place. Finally, if you like to see below market value deals, lease option deals, rent to rent deals, have you downloaded the Property Investor app? You can find deals like this all over the country, and it's in the palm of your hand. All you've got to do is download the app, completely free, or you can go to propertyinvestorapp.co.uk and you can see them on your desktop. As always, if you like the thought of the videos, or if you want me to cover a specific topic on this project, more than happy to do so. Comment below, and I look forward to reading them all and responding to them accordingly. As always, take care, remain safe and be happy, and I'll speak to you all very soon.